we're going to now talk about season's greetings. Amazon announced its start of its holiday shopping season deals with launches of its Happy Holidays platform. Available through November 21st, the page joins other curated shopping pages like Fashion Gift Guide and the Electronics Gift Guide, the Holiday Toy List, Mariah's Must Have. Who's Mariah? Like Mariah Carey? All right, anyway, that's not how you spell Mariah. I don't think that's how you spell her name.
It says in collaboration with pop singer Mariah.
It is the way you spell Mariah. All right, how about that? All right, so Walmart began offering holiday deals a week ago. So here you go. This is all about holiday season's greetings. What's going on? And you know the people who benefit from it? You. Because everybody's fighting for your business. They're going to fight against each other, and we're going to benefit. I think my wife is going to get me a big screen TV for Christmas. Shh. Don't tell her that I think I know it. All right, another store, Jcpenney. Jcpenney plots a comeback, less clutter, more yoga classes. What's that all about? A glimpse of the future for Jcpenney can be found in Hurst, Texas, where a remodeled store has a fitness studio, video game lounge, and style classes. So guess what? Jcpenney has been a company that's not been well for a long time. What are they doing? They're thinking outside of the box. I like that. So when you go to Jcpenney's, leave your kids at the arcade, or after you're done shopping, you go to you take a spa class or something like that. I like that. All right, they're thinking outside of the box as a comeback, and I like that. All right, and one more. Look at this story. The drones are coming. How Amazon, Alphabet, Uber are taking to the skies. Flying robots that deliver packages to people's doorsteps are no longer science fiction. Companies including Amazon, Alphabet, which is Google, and Uber Technologies are starting the most advanced trials of drone delivery in U.S. history. How cool is that? That you can get your packages from any of these places delivered to your house by way of drones. Man, the skies are going to be full of drones flying all over the place, and then, man, but that's huge, and it could be a gimmick, a Christmassy gimmick, doesn't matter. But the companies are jumping on board with it. So let's go take a look at those stocks. All right, so we were looking at Google. Amazon, we've already looked at. All right, we've already looked at it. JCPenney, Uber, and the other stock was Amazon. We've already looked at Amazon. All right, Alphabet or Google, trading, it's one of the few stocks that's trading just a little bit below its value. JCPenney is $1 stock. You remember when JCPenney was a big store way back when? It's $1 stock. It's been hurting for the longest time. And actually, like I said, I like the idea that JCPenney is thinking outside of the box to attract shoppers. And Uber, which is over its value by a lot. So remember, a couple of these stocks it's a premium to own them. Relative value on Alphabet. Stocks got good upside potential. JCPenney, not there. Uber, really not there. Relative safety, the stock's consistency of making money. Alphabet, it is there. JCPenney, not there. Uber, not there. And of course, is the stock in an uptrend or not? Google is. JCPenney is in an uptrend. And even with the news, JCPenney is in an uptrend. And I like that because the news is pushing it higher. It's getting people more active with the stock. The stock is now in an uptrend. And Uber, not so much. Uber is a sell recommendation. JCPenney a hold, and Alphabet is a buy. Earnings, good earnings on Alphabet or Google, growing their earnings 17% a year. JCPenney, negative earnings, growing their earnings negatively. And Uber, negative earnings, growing their earnings negatively. So these are the companies that are looking at drones. They're all trying to get a piece of that pie. Let's go view their stock graphs. Google's going to have the best looking graph. Look at that. Put it on a 3-month graph. Look at that upward trend. Nice up day today. A little bit of a wick at the top. Earnings popped down just a little bit, but love the earnings, love the equity curve. 3 and 8 cross back here. Even on the pullback, still stayed. Volume is pretty steady. Remember, these are the companies that are looking to get drones. JCPenney, even with them thinking out of the box, a little bit of a sideways move. This may not be a bad play. The stock is getting less ugly earnings. All right, less ugly earnings. Stock's price is moving sideways. If the stock can get out of its own way of this little sideways move, you got a good possible upside to the value of about $1.26. And if it gets higher than that, the stock could be off and running, especially with them thinking out of the box prior to Christmas. And these drone sales or drones deliveries might not be a bad way to go. Uber, woo! Uber don't look so hot at all. Man, oh man, baby. Didn't they just lose their CEO? I think they did. I think they did lose their CEO, I think. All right, so pulling back, again, less earnings, so it's getting less bad earnings, getting better. One day does not make a trend. I'm not a big fan of Uber just quite yet. First thing I need to have happen is the 3 and the 8 move up. Once that happens, then keep your eye on it. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Now, if you're new to the software or would like refresher information about the software, click on this Getting Started video right here. Thanks to all of your input, here's a YouTube video that we think would be perfect for you. Click right here. If nothing else, folks, just hit the subscribe button right here.